Hey, this is Rajiv Kumar Love, the life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. In this video, I'm going to give you 4 strategies on how to be a fair-minded thinker. So here we go. Number 1, recognize that we are all naturally self-centered. You are interested in how the world and everything in it can serve you. Only by becoming aware of this, you get command over your selfishness and self-centered behavior. Number 2, be alert to self-deception. For example, ignoring others' viewpoints. Remember that all humans engage in some form of self-deception. So recognize this tendency in yourself and consistently work to take command of it. Number 3, make a note. Every time you do something selfish, how and when you are selfish, how selfishness affects others, how can I avoid being selfish? Number 4, take every opportunity to think broadly. Involve multiple viewpoints. Look at the issue and situation from different angles. Finally, let me leave you with 2 questions to ponder on. Number 1, do I think broadly enough to be fair? Number 2, how many alternative perspectives have I explored? I hope you like the video. Yes, then you could do 4 things. Hit the thumbs up button. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can go to my website www.thepersonalityboss.com and check out the trainings I have to offer. Lastly, share it with anyone you think would find it useful too. Thanks for watching this video. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, go out and test these 4 strategies on how to be a fair-minded thinker. Bye-bye.